everyone, so please excuse my wet hair, no makeup look. High school that I work at has graduation tonight. I'm about to blow dry my hair and kind of get ready for graduation. It kind of works out perfectly. So this is Friday. We leave tomorrow to go on the cruise, and here in a few minutes when I get my hair done, get my makeup on, get ready to go, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to go through the rest of the things that I need to pack. There are only a few things left, but I do have some things that I'm going to have to pack and repack. My hair dryer being one of them. That's going to be the only hair tool that I really bring with me. My sister's bringing a curling iron, so I'm not going to bring one. I am going to curl my hair tonight for this graduation, but I'm not bringing the curling iron with me. So here in a few minutes I'll check back in with you guys, and then we will go through the last minute things that I bought and packed for our vacation. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I am ready. I just got done doing my hair and my makeup. So I'm gonna quickly show you the last few things that I am packing. One of which is going to be my hair dryer. It goes in this bag. So I'm gonna go ahead, put it in that bag, and then I'm gonna show you some jewelry, and then just some last minute things that went in my embarkation day bag. So if you didn't watch my packing video before, this is all of my hair stuff. So in this top part, there's a shower cap, all my ponytail holders, things like that. In here is my wet brush that I'm going to be using, and this is the only brush that I'm going to use on the trip. I don't need another brush. I've got a couple claw clips in here, and then my mat. I had said earlier this is the only hot tool that I'm bringing. That's not true. I have a travel straightener in here. I just didn't think about it earlier. So I'm just gonna throw these clips down in there with this and this brush, and zip this guy up, and then it just goes in this space over here. All right, so there you go. You can see that that's in there now. You can see too that I've thrown some more just Ziploc bags in here just in case. I did take some of my electronic stuff out. I took out one of the plugs just because I feel like I have enough and I think we'll be okay. So other things, last minute things that I had to pack was jewelry, which there's some of this that I will have to throw back in here tonight because I am going to wear some to graduation. But in my little jewelry box, you can see, hey, you can see that I have these like gold leaf earrings. I actually got a bunch of these in a set that just came in the other day. So I've got these white earrings that are like dangly. I've got these little like rattan kind of earrings, I guess. These like palm leaf earrings that I love. These have all been in there. Just these sets of earrings, and then these back here in the back. I have these back here in the back too. They look kind of almost an orangey color, whoops, on here, but they're pink. And I just ordered them from Amazon. I think they were like $15 for the whole set. So that's the jewelry that I'm gonna be taking with me. I don't wear a lot of jewelry usually, but when I'm on vacation I do. So some of these, like I said, will come out, like this ring will come out tonight. And then maybe these earrings, I haven't decided yet. On those are a different set. So I've got that is ready to go. In my embarkation day bag, I've got some snacks, just like some little bars and things, just in case. Another one here. My sister has a waterproof camera, so I have some film for her. I've got my AirPods in here, my passport in its little booklet. I've got a water bottle. In here are my Tevas, just so I can wear those when we get there. And then I've got our luggage tags and all of our important documentation in here. And then the last couple things are my Kindle. I charged it last night. I charged the AirPods too. I've got a new phone case that I'm going to be using on this trip. And that, I think, is all of that stuff. So then the last few things that I have to put my wallet still in here, my travel wallet. Sorry, Jack's toy is over here. My travel wallet still has to go in here, and that's really the last thing that has to go in this bag. When we talk about my suitcase, so here is the one side of my suitcase. This is my travel mirror, my neck wallet, and then on this side, I have all of my clothes and shoes. And then over here in the floor, I've got my like airport outfit. So I've got some socks, got some just hot pink leggings, a black tank top, some tennis shoes, and a jacket. So I have everything laid out and ready to go. We are leaving in the morning. Probably gonna leave my house around 5:30. It will take us about an hour to get to the airport, so that will get us there at 6:30, and then our plane leaves at 8:30. So I think that that will be plenty of time. I don't think that we need to be there any earlier. Atlanta airport is super busy, so if you're ever going to Hartsfield Jackson, just know it is super busy. But I don't think it will be that bad. I think we'll be able to get in and out of security pretty early in the morning and through pretty easily because I don't have any liquids. My sister doesn't have any liquids, so the only person who will have liquids and like a true carry-on is gonna be my mom. My sister and I are checking a bag, so we should be fine. Me again, bet you didn't expect that. One of the most important things that I have to pack last minute is going to be my camera, which obviously I'm using right now, but also I need to pack my camera case. And you can see that I've gone ahead and I've customized it. So in this camera case, it has this top part, which is where all of my extra batteries and memory cards are gonna go. I'm only bringing 2 with me, and then I have a third one that is in my camera, and then I'm bringing all 4 of the batteries that I have. And then this cord is for something else, and right now I can't think of what it's for. Maybe my Kindle, but I just threw it in here too because I had a little bit of extra space up here at the top. And then my camera just sits in this part. I like that it's padded. I like that it is a hard case because it is shockproof, so that is nice. And then I wanted to show you guys my packing list a little bit more. So cash I got out today, so now I just have to pack it. But this is how I pack. I have a whole packing list with all these things on it, and when I get towards the end, I start circling things like this, like my luggage scale has to go in after. I do kind of plan out my outfits. It's not anything too crazy, but like, you know, my phone, my Apple Watch, my AirPods, my camera, all of that has to go in, and I just circle it so that I don't get lost in all the check boxes, because if I don't circle it, I may not see it. Just wanted to show you guys that, and that really is it. So now I am off to graduation. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye. Good morning, you guys. So it is the morning of our trip. It is about 5 o'clock in the morning. We are getting ready. So I'm putting some stuff in the car. I've got to take the trash out, and then we are going to head to the airport. So we're excited. We're ready to go. Just have to get this last minute stuff put in the car, and then we're gonna head out. We've got breakfast in the house, so we're just gonna eat and then get on our way.